Please tell me the name of this plant. I have asked several people, but no one seems to know. Is this a weed or a flower? And this is C. Miller, right? Weed or flower? I actually thought it was the old money plant.
Yeah, it does look like that foliage. I'm more used to seeing the stalk with the flowers and the seed heads on them. But that is the foliage, what it looks like.
I think it's the money plant, or some people call it the annual. It's actually a biennial, but they call it the honesty, plant.
Yeah, so if he's had it before and it's not bloom, it may not bloom this year if it's the first time he's seen it come up. So he may not get a stalk on it this year.
But it can get away from you.
Yeah, those seeds, oh man.
Yeah, so make sure, C. Miller, you have it in the area where it's contained, because the old money plant can get away from you. But yeah, beautiful blooms, right?
Beautiful.
And I understand, some of the blooms are actually used in flower arrangement.
Yeah, well, and then when it dries, and I usually would cut off.
There you go.
My mother would also do it. Cut off the stalks, collect the seeds so they don't go everywhere. Take the outside, and there's a nice shimmering membrane on the inside, and we used it as decoration in the house.
There you go.
So real pretty.
Real pretty, C. Miller. So yeah, honesty or the old money plant. All right. It could be a weed or flower. It just depends on how you look at it.
Depends on how and where it's growing.
And where it's growing. How about that? We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.